welcome back to our PNW Adventures. I'm Marisa.
I'm Brian.
And we are here back in the beautiful Gifford Pinchot National Forest.
Finally.
And we are attempting...
Trying it again.
Car camping again. But we have a different setup this time.
Oh.
So we bought a blow-up mattress.
Yep.
With our other mattress on top, so hopefully that will make it a lot more comfortable for us.
Yep, we'll show you in a second once we get everything set up. But we are on the beautiful Cispus River. Amazing. First time actually camping this low towards Mount Adams, but...
It is so gorgeous out here. We have well, it's supposed to be 65 degrees out today. I think it's about 55 where we're at here, so it's so nice to feel the sunshine.
Yep.
Blue sky.
Yeah. All right, let's get camp set up.
Let's do it.
Oh, look at what we got. Brand spanking new pop-up tent. We got the Trekway inflatable mattress.
We're gonna put this bad boy on top.
That.
We've got the heated mattress pad again because the temperature is supposed to drop into the low 40s tonight, probably
30s.
into the high 30s, so we'll see. So just in case, keep us warm again.
Little plugger inner things up here, so we put the jack right up front. Well, there we go. Heated mattress pad, down sheet, 3 blankets, pillows. Good night. All right, the test. Here we go.
Oh my god. Oh my gosh, I can't even
All right.
angle the back up.
Back up a foot.
Now we have camp all set up. We've got our bed done in the Forerunner. We've got our fire pit, our kitchen and storage area. And then of course, right by the river, our seating area.
Here's our new pop-up tent.
That is tied down.
It is very tied down and staked down. And it's pretty awesome. Let's get a little walkthrough of it.
It does feel bigger than our old one, but I think the old one was a 10 by 10. This one's a 10 by 10, so.
Ginormous.
It's huge.
Got little vents at the top.
Our poor chair. We gotta go to Costco soon.
Looking good. Time to relax, eat some lunch. Probably show you the area.
Yeah. Go on a little adventure.
Oh yeah, we're camping here, by the way. We're on the Cispus River.
Whoa.
All right, we ate some lunch, relaxed, flew the drone, checked out the area, and now we're going to check out the area on foot and
Go explore.
So come along with us.
Let's go.
Shall you?
Another campsite.
Good swimming hole.
campsite.
In the summer, this would be perfect because it's like right on the water.
Yo, asphalt. You take me to asphalt, seriously. We were here exactly 1 week ago and there was a bunch of snow right here.
Yep. So much snow.
Yep. Alright, we're gonna check out campsite on the other side of the river here.
What a beautiful area to explore. We found another campsite across the river, walked the trail for a little bit. We were trying to find a way to connect to the island, but it didn't, so...
No, it was beautiful.
Yeah, so pretty.
Cool.
Beautiful day.
Yeah.
All right, time to listen to some podcasts, relax a little bit.
It's only
like 4
3:49.
o'clock.
Yeah, 3:49.
So, dinner in a couple hours.
Katrina fails once again.
Reggie emailed us, curator at theboxofoddities.com. Hey guys,
Well, the sun went down and the temperature went down about 15 degrees. It got a little chilly, so I think I have 5 layers on top, 2 layers on the bottom, 2 pairs of socks.
Yep. March camping.
Eh.
Now what?
Well, we've got our lights put up around camp. We're going to get the fire pit all set up, and then I think we're going to start prepping to make some awesome dinner tonight.
Heck yeah.
Oh,
go.
It's going to be good.
Yeah.
So tonight we are doing, I got Brian a ribeye steak, so a ribeye for him. I'm going to attempt to make a smash burger for myself. And then we have some corn that we're going to skillet up and hopefully give it some char.
Yep.
And then I got some garlic twice baked potatoes from our local butcher, Matt's Meats. And I'm going to step those up a notch with like adding some garlic butter and some green onions, a little more cheese. And so we're gonna get those all caramelized in cast iron skillet and yeah.
My, eating good in the neighborhood.
Alright, I'm attempting to make a smash burger for the first time. So I rolled up a little bit of hamburger in a ball. So I'm going to use the spatula here to mash.
That's how we do dinner.
Oh my god. Holy shit.
Yep. We're gonna eat this. Bye. dinner was amazing.
Oh, it was so good, so cool.
What about this?
We brought stuff to make popcorn, which is going to be super cool, but I don't think we're going to be doing that today.
Maybe. Oh, fire. We're going to get warm now.
The steps just seemed like they were so far apart, like they were just gliding. And again, this, like in my mind, I'm thinking it's gotta be like 9 to 12 foot.
You forget your window shades. Whoops.
She's got this.
Oh, good Lord. I'm in. 10 hours later, I'm in.
Oh. Ah.
Got it. We did it.
Oh my gosh. It took like 45 minutes, but we made it in the car.
Yes,
It's like an extreme sport trying to get in here.
we did.
Better hope we don't have to get up to pee.
Nope, it's not happening. We're gonna just go bien. All right, we're gonna watch a movie and then go to sleep. We'll see you in the morning.
Good night.
Did I leave the stove on?
Good morning.
Good morning.
We survived-ish.
Yes, it wasn't too bad. That extra air mattress helped though.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Yeah, some things we gotta change on tonight's setup. But yeah, we just had the ultimate breakfast sandwich. It was
Yum.
amazing as always, and coffee. And
Yeah.
we're gonna slowly get packed up here and
Go explore.
on to our next adventure. So,
Boy, let's see if we can find one.
oh.
All right, we are all packed up. I think this is harder than when we have our rooftop tent.
Oh, about 5 times harder. Oh my god.
But what a beautiful night and day yesterday on the Cispus River. So beautiful.
Amazing.
The river just lulled us to sleep last night. It was
Yeah.
so nice.
Yeah, but now we are on our next adventure out exploring and trying to find our next campsite for next week's
Yeah.
video. Let's get
Time
out of here.
to change our clothes and hit the road
Yep.
and figure out where it's going to take us.
Yep.
Thank you for joining us on this edition of our PNW Adventures, and we'll see you on the next video.
Peace out.
Deuces.
Bye.
Bye.
Nice shirt.
Hey, nice shirt.
Yeah.
if you haven't checked it out already, on our Instagram, we got some new merch. Thank you to Bigfoot Screen Printing in Longview, Washington for hooking us up with our awesome design and our shirts. So we've got some t-shirts and hooded sweatshirts on our website for sale. So we'll put the link in the description below down there where you can go check out and get some merch for yourself. Any purchase helps fund our adventures and keeps our channel going. So we would be so appreciative if you would go and check it out. And we also have our awesome stickers on there.
Get it hard.
Is it good?
No. Say hello to 40 life, baby.
No hump in the back.
No humping in the back. Oh, man.
No, that's not what I said. I said no hump in the back.
Oh.
Gosh, I can't even
We're like in a freaking coffin. Is it on?
I don't know. Ooh. Messy. Are we going to go on the Washington backcountry discovery route? You know, the Washington BDR.
Oh, you mean 23?
Yeah, you know.
Or 21? Whatever
All right,
one.
let's go explore the Washington BDR.
Wow, this is derailed.